brace yourself because I have discovered a gold rush that is happening on TikTok right now. TikTok Shop is an absolute gold mine. It's so good right now that I don't think it's gonna last for very long. I mean, this example right here I'm about to walk you through, this is absolutely crazy. So yeah, come close but not too close, and let's talk about this. How does a small account with less than even 1k followers generate 147,000 as a TikTok Shop affiliate in just the last 7 days? I mean, what makes this even crazier is that they're based in the United States of America, where the minimum requirement to become a TikTok Shop affiliate is 5,000 followers. So how have they achieved this with less than even one? It's just absolutely bonkers. Now, on top of all this, the video that generated all this revenue is just over 15 seconds long. It's a faceless video. And it's pushed organically by TikTok, meaning that there was no money paid out for ads or any other type of ad service. This is purely just organic traffic. And how much profit did they actually make in 7 days? If you watch the video all the way up until the end, you will have an answer to all of these questions and know everything you need to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate in 2024 while this opportunity is still around, because trust me, like many good things, it will not be around for long. But first of all, let's address how they became a TikTok Shop affiliate in the USA with less than 1k followers. Now, the answer is quite simple. They have followed the steps I've outlined in this video that you can see on the screen right now and registered as a TikTok Shop seller rather than a TikTok Shop affiliate. And this allowed them to receive the tools they need to start promoting products on TikTok Shop without needing to have the 5k followers from essentially 0 followers. Again, I've linked this video in the description and you can go and check out exactly how to go about doing this. This applies both in the US and in the UK as well. Now, in terms of how they generated $147,000 in revenue in just the last 7 days, and I will let you know towards the end of the video how much take-home commission they have made out of this as well. But the way that this works is, you might have seen one of these videos on TikTok where creators are promoting products and asking you to click on the link below or on the basket below to purchase the product that they're promoting in the video. Now, this happens either in a video or in a live stream, but in this instance, we are focusing on videos. Once your viewer clicks on that little basket and purchases the product, your video has generated a sale. And in this case, these sales amounted to $147,000 in just 7 days. And the crazy thing is, they're not the only one making this much money in so little time. As you can see at the bottom, there's a bunch of other creators just below who are also promoting exactly the same product that this creator promoted, and they're making money as well in just the last 7 days. In fact, there's even more creators than this that are making these amounts of money. If we go into the creator leaderboard right there, which I'm not going to go into now, but there's a bunch of other creators that are making way more than this. This is not the most that you can make as a small creator in 7 days. This is just one of the many examples of people that are TikTok Shop affiliates. Now, in terms of where I'm seeing this information, I'm actually using an insights tool called Kalo Data, which will show you leaderboards featuring other creators that are making the same amount of money, as I've mentioned, sometimes even more than what you can see here. I've negotiated a discount of 10% with Kalo Data as well. So if you use my link, you can get it cheaper, so you can have access to these types of insights as well. It's really good for if you either a new shop or a new TikTok Shop affiliate and you're trying to decide what to promote and you're trying to see what's selling a lot out there, what's being successful. Also, it's good for seeing what is bubbling under, what's about to go viral and what's about to gain some traction. So again, I've left a link to this tool in the description. There's a lot you can do with this tool. I've covered this in many other videos. I'm not going to go through all the different features that you can benefit from here. I will link my other videos in the description that go into a lot more detail on Kalo Data. Now, in terms of the video in question, this is a 15-second video promoting a surprise 3D dragon. So this is the product that they're promoting right here. I'm going to highlight it. You can see the price range of the product. In fact, you can even click on the video and play the video so you can get an idea of what exactly the creator is saying in there. Kalo Data also allows you to do a bunch of other things. You can see the hashtags that they've used on TikTok on this video. You can see their TikTok handle. So if you click on this, that will take you to their TikTok account. You can see just below there was no adverts that were used to push this video out. You can also download the video script, which I'm doing right now. So word for word, you can see what this creator said in this video, and you can also use the built-in AI on Kalo Data to tell you more about that script. You can ask it to break the script down for you into the usual hook, body, and call to action. You can get a clear breakdown of how to apply what's happening here into your own video script. You can copy this and put it in a spreadsheet somewhere if you're doing some research on different scripts and you're trying to find what works. There's a bunch of different things you can do with regards to that. And again, there's a bunch of other videos you can look at here. On that tab at the top, if you click on it, it shows you other videos that are performing really, really well. Similar to this one from, again, small creators like this, some bigger, some smaller, but you can see other videos that are generating these types of revenue in 7 days. So this allows you to essentially make the right choice about what products to select, because you can see what products are being successful, but more importantly, it tells you what to say in your video, which is crazy when you are promoting that product, especially if you're choosing to promote this particular product as well. You've got a blueprint here of what you can do, say what song to use, hashtags, all of that, how long your video should be if you are promoting that product, which is just absolutely insane. In terms of how much commission this creator made, it's very easy to work that out. All we do is look at their total revenue for the last 7 days and multiply that by the percentage of commission this product offers. In order to work out roughly how much commission this product offers, you just go into TikTok shop in your own phone on your own account, assuming you qualify. You search for that product and that will give you an idea of roughly how much different shops are offering in commission for this product. Now, I will tell you, generally shops will offer around the 20% range in commission on average because they want their products to be attractive to creators to promote. No one is going to want to promote your product if it's 5%, 6% commission, 10% commission. These creators are in this to make money, and if you're offering little commission, only a few people are going to promote your product, unless it's like a product that costs £1,000, £2,000, and they're going to get a pretty decent bag from that. But a lot of the products on TikTok shop are pretty low ticket, so people will generally go for 20% commission, 30% commission. So even if they only sell a few of those products, they still have a lot of income. So for that reason, shops are incentivized to give higher commissions, especially newer shops that are still trying to get a good reputation and get a good few reviews on TikTok. Bigger ones, maybe not so much, but newer ones, generally, they will be very generous when it comes to commission. Now, if we assume they received 20% commission for on this product in 7 days, they would have bagged $29,000. This is their commission. This is profit. This is take home. This is not going to TikTok. This is not going to the shop. That's how much this creator would have received. If we say they got 10% commission, which is not very likely, but let's say they did, they still would have bagged $14,000 out of this arrangement just in the last 7 days. And remember, this is just the last 7 days, people. So this video is going to be up for longer than 7 days. So they likely will have made more revenue than this, first of all, and more commission than what I've just mentioned. Now, what's even crazier is that when your product goes viral, what shops tend to do is bump up your commission. So if you look at the views on this product, it got 1.97 million views, so just under 2 million views in these last 7 days. And what shops will do is they will bump up your commission because they want to encourage you to keep going and keep promoting your product and keep replying to comments by video and keep creating more videos with this product. So they will bump it up 30% commission, 40% commission, sometimes even 50% commission, because the more money you make, the more money the shop makes. In fact, what you're making here, the shop is probably making 10 times that. So sometimes they don't care if they give you more commission because it's more reputation for them, it's more reviews, more units sold, and more revenue going into them and going into TikTok as well, because this is on their platform. So it's very, very likely that this humble 15-second video where the person is not even showing their face is very likely they made much more than any amount that I've mentioned in this video in terms of profits. But that is the power of TikTok Shop currently. That is the gold rush that is TikTok Shop currently. It's happening right now. It's not gonna last forever. By this time next year, I can promise you, we are not going to be saying that TikTok Shop is as good as it is right now. So take action. If you are someone that's looking to make extra income from TikTok or even full-time income from TikTok, and you are in one of these countries that qualify, and you've got insights tools like this one, which is the best one in the market currently, take action, get started.